Spending a day in Cape May is not nearly enough time to explore and enjoy all that this historic town has to offer. Known as America's oldest seaside resort, it has over 600 preserved homes and inns and restored hotels. It's such a great beach town with so much to do. In today's video, we're going to explore Cape May. And stick around to the end because I'm going to show you a home for sale, a Victorian home built in the early 1900s and priced at $1 million. Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Suzanne Gilson, realtor down the shore with Century 21 Alliance. I've helped hundreds of families buy, sell, and invest in real estate. So if you're thinking of buying a vacation home or would like to sell your vacation home or just want to learn a little more about the Jersey Shore, then you're at the right place. If you haven't joined our friendly community of subscribers, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's free, and ring the bell. You'll be notified every time I post a video. All right, let's go to Cape May. Cape May is located at the southern tip of New Jersey's peninsula. It's actually an island with a canal running from the Cape May inlet over to the Delaware Bay. Okay. Hi, Steph. Steph's driving us around today. We're on our way to Cape May.
To get to Cape May, most people will take the Garden State Parkway south, all the way to exit 0. We left Wildwood. It took us just about 10 minutes. Some people take the Cape May Lewes Ferry also, which leaves from Lewes, Delaware, and brings you to the Cape May Terminal, which is off of the island of Cape May, but not too far away. You'll love riding your bikes through Cape May, but you might even like better walking through Cape May because it gives you the opportunity to see all these charming homes and their gardens. There's the Southern Mansion. That's a huge mansion. They do weddings and events. We're now coming up to the Washington Street Mall, which is full of small, eclectic shops and antique shops, restaurants and bars. The Mid-Atlantic Center of the Arts is located at the end of the mall, which you can go there to buy tickets to museums, for house tours, tickets to the lighthouse, jazz festivals and concerts. Both day and evening carriage rides are real popular in Cape May, as well as chartered fishing trips. If boating is your thing, you'll have all kinds of options to charter a fishing boat or to take a dolphin sightseeing cruise. You won't want to miss the ever-popular Salt Marsh Safari, and nearby we have 2 alpaca farms. There are numerous wineries, distilleries, and breweries in the area. There's 5 total in Cape May County, and I'll put a link in the video here and in the description box below to a video tour that I did recently on our local wineries. And then if you want to go enjoy the Wildwood Boardwalk, you're only 10 miles away. With all the walking around and exploring you'll be doing in Cape May, of course you'll need a few days at least to sit and relax and enjoy the beautiful beach. And then there's the dining. Of course, you'll find plenty of pizza shops and casual eateries that are anything but ordinary. You will not be disappointed with your selection of fine dining restaurants. There are numerous award-winning restaurants in Cape May. To sit in a beautiful Victorian home with the sweet smell of sea blowing in the breeze, and then to be served an amazingly prepared dinner with fresh local seafood and produce is just truly delightful and unforgettable. The only thing that might beat it is coming down to Cape May in December during the holidays when the city is decorated and the Victorian homes look like gingerbread houses. About 4,000 people call Cape May home on a year-round basis, and then in the summer the population grows to around 40,000.
If you're liking this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell. You'll be notified each week I put out a new video. All right, let's go see 818 Washington Street in Cape May.
Okay, here we are at 818 Washington Street. This 6-bedroom Victorian home was built in the early 1900s. It sits on a 50 by 100 lot, which features the huge benefit of having off-street parking. I'm going to take a walk around the back. There's a screen porch there to the right. Has a potting shed in the back. There is stairs up to one of the bedrooms. Low maintenance backyard, some perennials. There's a side porch which takes you into the casual dining area off the kitchen. There's also access from the kitchen to the backyard. As I mentioned earlier in the video, there's over 600 preserved Victorian homes in Cape May, but there's also a lot of new construction. However, contractors are required to follow very strict zoning and construction laws to preserve the Cape May charm. You'll find a nice large front porch to enjoy the island breeze. Living room on the left with a gas fireplace and a patio off the rear. To the right is the formal dining room. There's a lovely window seat towards the front of the house. There's the casual dining area with a porch on each side. The eat-in kitchen is comfortable and efficient with also a door to the patio. There's also a pantry and a half a bath. Let's go check out the bedrooms. The home has 6 bedrooms, all on the second and third floors. 3 full baths. This is the master suite with its own bathroom. Nice closet. These are the 3rd floor bedrooms. This is the 3rd floor bathroom, and there's also a rooftop deck. Isn't this a great house? Recent improvements to the home, a new roof in 2019, new water heater, new boiler. Quick shout out to the listing agent, Kathy Heron. Thanks for letting us feature your listing today on our video. There's also a link below to every home for sale in Cape May.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching my video. In the comments section below, tell me which town you would like me to explore next. And we'll see you next week.